Welcome, seekers of knowledge. What if I told you that the roots of our modern justice system can be traced back thousands of years? That ancient crimes have shaped the very laws that govern us today? Buckle up, because in the next 10 minutes, we're diving into the chilling stories of ancient misdeeds that forged the foundations of American justice. You might think history is dull, but trust me, this journey will leave you questioning everything you thought you knew. Let's start in ancient Mesopotamia, where the Code of Hammurabi reigns supreme. Created around 1754 BCE, this code is one of the earliest written legal systems in human history. It consisted of 282 laws, and the phrase "an eye for an eye" was no mere slogan. It was a chilling reality. Imagine being accused of theft. The punishment? A public execution. Fear gripped the populace. Citizens lived under constant threat, knowing that one misstep could lead to severe retribution. Hammurabi's code established a sense of order, but it also instilled a deep-rooted fear, a fear that echoed through the ages and influenced how justice would unfold in the future. But here's a question for you. Would you rather live under these brutal laws, or in an anarchic society where anything goes? Now, let's journey to the land of ancient Greece, where democracy flourished, but so did injustice. In ancient Athens, democracy was born, yet it wasn't all olive branches and philosophy. Here, trials were public spectacles, and accusations could lead to a swift, brutal end. One notable case? The trial of Socrates. Accused of corrupting the youth and impiety, Socrates faced death for his beliefs. His last words echo through history: "The unexamined life is not worth living." This trial set a precedent for the protection of free speech, but it also showcased the terrifying power of mob mentality. Imagine being in a crowd, witnessing someone being sentenced to death for simply asking questions. Fear and excitement intermingled in the air. Could you stand up for what's right? Or would you be silenced like Socrates? And here's a thought: if Socrates were alive today, would he be a YouTuber or a politician? It's hard to say. From Greece, let's sail across the Mediterranean to the land of the pharaohs, where ancient Egypt had its own chilling form of justice. In ancient Egypt, justice was as much about fear as it was about order. The concept of marred truth, balance and order was pivotal. However, those who disrupted this balance faced brutal consequences. Punishments were public and often fatal, designed to serve as a deterrent to others. Consider the fate of a thief caught in the act. Their hands could be severed, a fate so severe it sent shockwaves through society. The ancient Egyptians believed that justice needed to be swift and decisive, ensuring everyone understood the potential consequences of their actions. But what if I told you that these practices didn't just end with the fall of the Egyptian Empire? They found their way into the very fabric of the justice system in America. Let's fast forward to colonial America, where the echoes of ancient justice still resonate today. In colonial America, the fear of crime mirrored that of ancient societies. Harsh laws governed behavior, and punishments were equally severe. People were hanged, whipped, and even branded. The harshness was a reflection of the ancient practices that preceded them, rooted in a belief that fear would maintain order. The infamous Salem witch trials stand as a testament to this ideology. Fear of the unknown led to the execution of many innocent people, echoing the trials of ancient Greece. Just like Socrates, these individuals faced a mob mentality fueled by paranoia and hysteria. The legacies of these ancient crimes remind us of our own justice system's roots. They've shaped the laws that govern our lives today, teaching us the importance of fairness, the dangers of mob mentality, and the critical need for due process. As we reflect on these dark chapters in history, we're compelled to ask ourselves, are we still repeating the mistakes of the past? If you found this journey through ancient crimes fascinating, like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into history that shape our present. Let's explore together, what crimes from history do you think still echo in our justice system today? Share your thoughts in the comments below.